Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about Rejuvia Sleep Spray and answering a question many people are searching for online. Is Rejuvia Sleep Spray legit or a scam? Rejuvia claims to be a fast-acting oral sleep spray designed to help reduce stress, help you fall asleep faster, and wake up feeling clear-minded instead of groggy. According to the brand, it's made with all-natural ingredients and is positioned as an alternative for people who don't like swallowing pills or waiting a long time for sleep aids to kick in. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now, starting on a positive note, there are several things about Rejuvia that do stand out in a good way. One important trust factor is the website itself. The Rejuvia website was registered back in May 2018, which is a strong point because scam websites usually don't last this long. A company staying active for years often suggests it's running a real business rather than a short-term setup. Another big green flag comes from customer feedback. On Trustpilot, Rejuvia has a very strong overall rating, close to 4.6 out of 5 stars, which is quite impressive. Many users talk about how well the sleep spray works for them and how quickly it helps them fall asleep. Several reviews mention that the spray works faster than traditional pills, especially for people who have difficulty swallowing capsules or tablets. Customer service is something that repeatedly comes up in positive reviews. Multiple users shared experiences where products were damaged during shipping, especially in cold weather, and the company replaced them without hassle. Some customers mentioned sending an email or message and getting a response within minutes, which is rare these days. Others talk about subscription issues or clogged sprays that were resolved quickly, often without being asked to return the product first. That kind of response builds trust and shows the company is at least making an effort to keep customers happy. That said, no product is perfect, and it's important to talk about concerns as well. One recurring negative point mentioned by some customers is related to subscriptions and order handling. A few users reported being signed up for a subscription without clearly realizing at checkout, leading to unexpected charges. Others mentioned receiving damaged or incorrect products more than once, which caused frustration and loss of trust, even though some of these cases were eventually resolved with refunds. This highlights the importance of carefully reading checkout pages, subscription terms, and confirmation emails before placing an order. So, based on publicly available information, Rejuvia Sleep Spray does not appear to be an outright scam. The long-standing website, large number of positive reviews, and responsive customer service all point toward it being a legitimate business. However, like with any sleep aid or subscription-based product, it's important to stay cautious, understand the billing terms, and manage expectations, since results can vary from person to person.